FPV this drone is equipped with 1080p high-definition 120° wide-angle dual cameras with adjustable angle, suitable for indoor and outdoor beginners to shoot high-quality videos and clear flight photos, and can be connected to Wi-Fi to play video in real time. The man machine has one-button takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 360-degree aerial flip, and can control the flight in gravity sensing mode through a smartphone. Even beginners can easily control the drone. It is equipped with 3 2-cell batteries and a suitcase, which is easy to carry and travel. The drone is white. FPV V9 drone for adults and beginners with 720p HD camera and 3 batteries white. Product function introduction. 720p HD Wi-Fi camera.